If mth term of an AP is 1 by n and the nth term is 1 by m, find the mnth term. Okay, we are applying here the nth term formula, that is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So mth term of the AP will be a plus m minus 1 into d is 1 by n, and the nth term a plus n minus 1 into d is 1 by m. This is your equation 1, this is your equation 2. Solve the two equations to get the value of d and a. So if I subtract the second equation from the first one, a term gets completely eliminated. I'll have m minus 1 minus n plus 1 d equal to 1 by n minus 1 by m. Minus 1 and plus 1 gets cancelled. M minus n into d will be, LCM here will be nm, and in the numerator will get m minus n. So the value of d will be m minus n upon nm, and this m minus n goes to the denominator here, it gets cancelled. So the value of d is 1 upon mn. Got it? Now put this value of d 1 upon mn either in the first equation or in the second to get the value of a. I am putting it in the first one. Putting the value of d in equation 1 will get a plus m minus 1 into d. d is 1 by mn, so upon mn equal to 1 by n. So the value of a will be 1 by n. This whole term goes to the right, minus m minus 1 by mn. The value of a is, we'll take the LCM here, mn is the LCM. So in the numerator we'll get m minus m plus 1. This gets cancelled. So the value of a is 1 by mn. Fine. d is also 1 by mn, a is also 1 by mn. Now let's calculate mnth term. Mnth term will be a plus mn minus 1 into d. The value of a is 1 by mn plus mn minus 1, d is also 1 by mn. So it will be written like this. So LCM is mn, 1 plus mn minus 1 plus 1 and minus 1 gets cancelled, mn by mn, the result is 1. So the mnth term is 1.